Today I'm going to unbox Apple's newest and biggest iPhone to date, the iPhone XS Max in gold. Inside the iPhone box we see our not so special designed by Apple documentation, which we see every year now. It contains a couple of Apple stickers, a quick start guide, and a SIM ejector tool. Beneath the documentation we have our surprisingly light iPhone XS Max in that stunning gold we've seen in online photos. We also see the included Apple EarPods, but this time without the lightning 3.5mm adapter, which is really annoying, especially since this is a £1,000 phone. You also get a standard USB to lightning cable and a 5W power adapter, which is disappointing to see because rumours earlier on in the year indicated that we would finally see a fast charger, which again, for a £1,000 flagship phone in 2018 we should really be seeing. So this iPhone comes with 4GB of RAM, an A12 Bionic processor, and a 6.5-inch Super Retina HDR display with 458 pixels per inch. The cameras have had a slight update with deeper and larger pixels for better low light performance. They have also added stereo recording for more cinematic-like videos. One thing I noticed is that there are now 6 antenna bands around the phone, which I presume is to facilitate the faster Gigabit Lte chip. So starting up the iPhone, you will see the usual setup screen, which will guide you through the startup of your new phone. After the phone is set up, you are welcomed by these beautiful planet-like backgrounds, which actually turn out to be soap bubbles taken on the iPhone. Apple posted a really cool video behind the scenes, which I'll leave a link to in the description. These new backgrounds also very conveniently hide the notch. So comparing the Max with the X, you can see how much bigger the screen is. The Max is definitely the size to go for if you are someone who is upgrading from a 7 or 8 Plus, because the Max and the 8 Plus have essentially the same footprint. One of the most noticeable differences is the improved Face ID. When comparing to an X, the difference is only about a third of a second, which may not sound like much, but is actually around a 40% improvement. I hope you enjoyed this short overview of the iPhone XS Max. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers.